TV. Guys, how una dey? Please allow me to watch this video.
Yes, my people, yes, so see the way our prophet, the end time prophet of our time is coming in. This is today adoration. See the way he's coming in, and as you can see, a lot of people, multitude of people that they are welcoming him. They can't even allow the car to move. Yes, so I've never seen this kind of a thing before. This is the best of its kind I've ever seen in my life. Yes, see the way the security men are pushing people out, trying to make way for the prophet. People are not listening. They believe that touching his car, touching anything pertaining the car will be a blessing unto them. Yes, so that's the thing, guys. This is to tell you and to show you that God is really using Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Yes, so who can pull this crowd? Nobody can pull this kind of multitude of crowd. It's only the end time prophet, the prophet of our time, Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Guys, I would like you to watch this video to the end. Yes, so the prophet, the ruler one of the state from Oburi. Yes, guys, watch this video to the end and be blessed as you watch. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Most importantly, turn on your bell notification so that whenever I upload an amazing video just like this one you're watching, YouTube will notify you. Thank you and God bless you. Zion, we move, we fly. Thank you.
Make a joyful noise to the Lord. A grace will increase your life by your grace. Jesus.